We are cooking up a storm after Hurricane Harvey. I didn't even mean to make that joke. That's sad. Okay, so I'm going to be making myself a salad while I'm prepping the chili meal, which I will also link in this video. I just want you guys to see real life and how we actually cook stuff. And James is doing his awesome bacon, which I'm going to attempt to like record in the background so that you can see, because you guys have been asking me all the time, like in my pre-made videos, I always have like pre-cooked bacon, and I don't buy it that way because that's gross. So I'm going to show you how I make the very simple, very delicious Greek salad, and let's get to it. Actually, James makes it better. Maybe I'll get him to do it. You can see the shirtless wonder. All right, I'm going to start with the cucumber because James already did a cucumber for his, and that's not like a typical Greek salad ingredient, right, babe?
Oh.
I wouldn't consider that like normal, but I don't want it to go bad, and so I'm going to use it. Let me go down and show you how I cut it. Yeah, do a thing.
I like it in Greek salad.
We like it in Greek salad, but I don't think that's like typical recipe for it. So we're just gonna chop this up nice and small.
It's our recipe.
It's our recipe, yeah. Food is food, do what you want. I know. Oh, why are you taking my pecans? I like all of my ingredients to be relatively similar in size. So I quartered the cucumbers, and now I'm just going to cut these tomatoes into the same size. You wanna make sure that they're a little bit firm, but not mushy. And you also make sure to have a really sharp knife to cut neatly through the skin. When you cut an onion, you're going to half it first and then chop off the end, peel off the skin, and then cut it into pieces that are at a perpendicular 90 degrees to each other, because the natural cuts within the onion are going to make this a lot easier. I've shown in other videos that I like to use a chopper. I really like to add a little bit of protein to my salads, even if it doesn't generally have it, so you can totally omit this. I like this because it's rosemary, which is different and flavorful. With the ham, I like to cut it into pieces again that are similar in size. So I roll them up together like julienne style, like you would with spinach or other sorts of leafy vegetables, and this keeps it condensed. And then you're gonna cut it in the opposite direction as you just did if you want smaller pieces, because these will still be relatively long because the ham is folded. With the olives, I sometimes add this. I don't always. Sometimes it messes with the flavor. I choose my chopper for this just to show the simplicity. And then I make a small triangle to get out the pit of the green pepper. And as you can see, my knife was a little bit dull, so I chose to use the chopper with the green peppers as well. Or you can slice the olives the same way as you did the tomatoes. This is really personal preference. Sometimes I feel like the chopper can make vegetables a little bit too mushy, and that's not my favorite. So I will slice it long ways and then again do 90-degree angle. I'm going to prep the salad now. I just tear the leaves. I don't go too crazy with it, and I will also tear the spinach leaves. And then I just take an amount that I want to put into my salad, and I almost always add kale. I tend to have it on hand because I don't like it as a flavor by itself, and I just think it's really gross. So I put it in something like this that's very flavorful, and it'll be covered up, but I'll still get the nutrients that is valuable from it. And then I had feta that was from Costco that was in water, which tasted so much better, and it did not need this much because it had such a strong flavor. If you have a cheaper brand, you're going to need to use more. So James is my photographer for my Instagram account. In case you're wondering, he's really good at it. But I just wanted to talk about the fact that I wear the same thing in every single video, and it's because we found that I have been staining all of my clothes because of the high-fat foods. And oh, that looks good. It's a little blurry, but oh, that one's really good. Oh, I think I like this one. Good job. Thank you, love. Anyways, the bloopers are always like a mess when he's home, but instead of buying an apron, I've just been wearing a black t-shirt because it's been preventing my clothes from getting ruined, because I lean on the counter and get food all over my shirts, and I just don't want to ruin my clothes.
It's a mess.
And a lot of the times I do actually cook on the same day with multiple videos. Like right now I'm recording my chili video, which is our favorite recipe of all time. I'm so proud of that. But anyways, just so you guys don't think I'm crazy, I do wash the shirt in between. But this is the salad, and it's super good. It's one of James's. Ooh, baby, this is so good. That is. All right, guys, as always, the description box will have the recipe below, as well as the ingredients, so that you can take a screenshot with your photo and be good to go and go actually do this recipe. It's so delicious. Keto is taking the world by storm right now. It's because it's so amazing. So please subscribe if you want to see more videos. Share with your friends on social media, your fellow foodies. Give it a thumbs up just if you liked hanging out with me. I love being here. This has been a wonderful experience. I just would love to hear more from you guys as far as what you actually want to see, not just stuff that I want to make. Although I might just make things I want to eat because the food's my house. Nah, I'll do it for you. Just like I did my donuts video and my cookie video for my friends and my In-N-Out video for my friends and my mac and cheese video for my friends. So why don't you be my friend and tell me what you want to eat? Got you.